Hello everyone. Before we begin, let me ask you a simple question. How many of you have learned about money, investing, or financial planning as a subject in school or college? Most of the time, the answer is no. But in real life, money decisions start immediately after you graduate. Your first salary, your first credit card, your first EMI, your first investment, these decisions shape your financial future. Today's session is called Money Blueprint for Your 20s. This is a practical financial survival guide to help you avoid the biggest money mistakes and build a strong financial life from the beginning. Let's talk about what actually happens after college. You get your first job, you feel excited about your first salary. Then reality starts. Rent, travel, food, subscriptions, shopping, social life, expenses start increasing. Very soon, banks start offering you credit cards, showrooms offer you easy EMI options, apps offer you instant loans, and slowly, without realizing it, many young professionals enter their first debt cycle. Here is the truth. Your financial future is mostly decided in your first 5 working years, not in your 40s, not in your retirement phase. It starts in your early 20s. Now let's understand the real problem. Why do so many people struggle with money even when they earn well? Because no one teaches financial education. In school, we learn mathematics, we learn science, we learn history and commerce, but no one teaches how to manage a salary, how to invest, how to use a credit card, how to build wealth. So what happens? People learn about money through mistakes, and financial mistakes are not small mistakes. They are expensive mistakes. A bad money decision at age 23 can affect your life for the next 10 to 15 years. Let's look at the 5 most common money mistakes people make in their 20s. Mistake number 1, no savings habit. People spend first and save whatever is left, which is usually nothing. Mistake number 2, credit card misuse. Minimum payments, late fees, interest, this becomes a trap. Mistake number 3, buying gadgets or bikes on EMI. Your first salary becomes tied to monthly payments. Mistake number 4, delaying investments. People say, I will start investing later, but later becomes 5 or 10 years. Mistake number 5, following stock tips blindly. Friends, Telegram, WhatsApp, social media, people invest without understanding risk. Avoiding these 5 mistakes alone can put you ahead of most people. Now let's understand a very important concept. Many people think, if I earn more, I will become rich. But income alone does not create wealth. Here is the real formula. Income to savings to investments to compounding to wealth. If there is no savings, there is no investment. If there is no investment, there is no compounding. If there is no compounding, there is no wealth. So the real question is not how much do you earn. The real question is how much do you keep and grow. Think of your financial life like a pyramid or a building. At the base, you need a stable income, a savings habit, an emergency fund. This is your foundation. On top of that, you build insurance for protection, SIP investments for growth. At the top of the pyramid is long-term wealth creation. Many people make a big mistake. They try to jump directly to the top, trading, crypto, stock tips, without building the foundation. A weak foundation leads to financial collapse. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful concepts in finance, compounding. Imagine 2 people. Person A starts investing at age 22. He invests 3,000 rupees per month for 30 years. Person B starts at age 32. He invests the same 3,000 rupees per month but only for 20 years. Same amount, same investment. But person A ends up with more than double the wealth. Why? Because of time. This is the most important lesson. Time is more powerful than money. Starting early is more important than starting big. Now let me give you a simple, practical money blueprint. Just 5 steps. Step 1, create a budget. Know where your money is going. Step 2, build an emergency fund, at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. Step 3, get health insurance. One hospital bill should not destroy your savings. Step 4. Start SIP investing. Even 1,000 rupees per month is enough to begin. Step 5. Increase your income. Skills, promotions, side income. Income growth is very important. If you follow these 5 steps consistently, your financial life will be far more stable than most people. Let's look at a simple example. Suppose you invest 2,000 rupees per month at an average return of 12% for 25 years. The final value becomes around 33 to 35 lakhs rupees, just 2,000 rupees per month. Now imagine 5,000 rupees per month, or increasing your SIP every year. This is how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. Small amounts, invested consistently over long periods, that is the real secret. As you enter your career, you will generally follow one of 3 paths. Path 1, job plus SIP investing. Stable, disciplined, long-term growth. Path 2, job plus side income. Freelancing, skills, online work, faster wealth creation. Path 3, business or trading. High risk, high reward. But this should come after experience. The key message here is simple. Income growth is the engine of wealth. Investing is important, but increasing your earning capacity is even more powerful. Let me give you a simple 30-day action plan. In the next 30 days, 1. Open a savings account if you don't have one. 2. Track your expenses daily. 3. Start a 1,000 rupee SIP. 4. Learn one income-generating skill. 5. Avoid unnecessary EMI purchases. If you do just these 5 things, you will be ahead of most people your age. Financial success does not come from big decisions. It comes from small, consistent actions. Let me leave you with a few final reminders. Start early, stay consistent, avoid unnecessary debt, invest regularly, focus on building your skills and income. And remember this line, the best time to start was yesterday, the second best time is today. Your financial future is not decided by luck, it is decided by the habits you build in your 20s. Thank you. I'm happy to take your questions.